Well, you got to a guest church and your preacher get up, your pastor. You go to get on an organ and it don't work. Well, you still got to play for them. So this is the section where I'm going to show you how to back up a preacher in E flat with no organ. We're going to do it from the piano or the keyboard. All right, here we go. All right, so we're in the key of E flat. The scale of E flat is E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. And for the number system, for the chord progressions, it's going to be E flat is going to be 1, F is going to be 2, G is going to be 3, A flat is going to be 4, B flat is going to be 5, C is going to be 6, D is going to be 7, and E flat 8 or back to 1. Now because this is backing up the preacher, which could be kind of a bluesy type of scale, we're going to add in different notes like D flat, G flat. They're not technically in the major scale of E flat. They're in the minor scale of E flat. So E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat. We'll alternate between the two. All right, here we go. All right. So the first thing you want to do, if we're on a piano, you're going to use a lot of sustain. Because unlike the organ, the piano will not sustain by you just holding the notes. You need a pedal, and we also need to do what's called a rumble. All right? So this first chord, this is my main chord. So we have an octave in the left hand, which is going to be E flat. Now in the right hand, you got to be a little creative. So we have the D flat and the E flat, both with the thumb. We have the F, we have the A flat, we have the C, and the E flat. All right? Now, if you've been with us for any other videos, you've seen this 2 notes with the thumb used before, all right? So, again, it's going to be 2 notes with the thumb, all right? This is going to be our root chord. This is a sus chord for E flat, all right? And that's going to be the E flat 7, all right? So it's going to be the same with the D flat and the E flat with the thumb. And this time we're just going to move up to the G. All right? You still have the B flat and the E flat on the top. So we have, all right? Got it? All right. Then the rumble. Gonna buy you a lot. Well, no. All right. Next chord we'll add is a diminished chord. We're doing all of this over the 1. Okay. So we got E flat, G flat, A, C, and E flat. All right. So we'll do those 3. All right. It's gonna be our first move. So the next move is going to be what we call to the 3, all right? So in the bass is going to be a G. Now if you're by yourself, you want to move your hand up an octave, your right hand, and you want to keep the same form. So you want to keep the D flat, the E flat, the G, the B flat, and the E flat. We're going to do the trill, so coming off the G flat to the G, all right? It's not a must. You can hit it, you know, straight on, you know, directly on if you want. Either one, however you feel it. The next chord, we're gonna walk up to the 4. All right. So we're gonna do the D flat, the G flat, the B flat, the C, and the E flat in the right hand. All right. You can add the E flat for color. We're gonna do the diminish over the A major bass line. We got the E flat in the right hand, the G flat, the A, the C, the D, and the E flat on top. And that's our first chord all over again. The D flat, the E flat with the thumb, F, A flat, C, E flat, and back to the root. All right? So you got all right? So that's going to get us through the first wave of the preaching. Right? All right? Now we can embellish that 3 chord on the G. So we can, all right? In the left hand is going to be a stretch. Why? Because it's just you on the piano. So you got the G, and the bass. This is all left hand. You got the F, you got the B. All right? We got our same chord in the right hand. The D flat, E flat, G, B flat, E flat. All right? We walk it up. All right? So when we do this, we'll take out the D flat. We don't want the clash. So we have the A flat in the left hand, the G flat and the C, with the E flat in the right hand, the G flat, and the B flat, and the C, and the E flat. And the diminish, we got the diminish over the A. So that's going to be the same chord, E flat, G flat, A, C, E flat. Last chord over the 5 is the same chord with the thumb. We got the D flat, the E flat, the F, the A flat, the C, the E flat, and back to the root. All right? So we got all right? So we got the first one. Right? We got this. Then we got the inversion. So now let's spice it up a little bit. All right? So on that 4, we just want to invert the chord up. So it's going to be in the right hand, it's going to be the G flat, the B flat, the D flat, and the F sharp. And we trill over the A flat, A, and B flat. All right? So. All right? In the left hand, we had an A flat and a G flat. All right? All right? Now, so let's do a different walk down. So we'll do coming from the 4 or the, right? So now this is in the bass, we have a G flat, a E, a B flat. We're gonna keep that same chord in the right hand, so as a 4. And then we'll do a diminish over the F. All right? Bass is gonna be an F, left hand, E flat, A, right hand, E flat, G flat, A, C, E flat, our diminished chord. All right? And back to these chords, B flat, and we'll add in the F and the A flat with the left hand. Back to the E flat. All right? So we got